How to change your voice to sound like a girl. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can change your voice to sound like a girl. You can use this on any platform like Discord, Skype, or any other streaming services as well. And they have multiple different effects as well. You can go ahead and check those out as well. So the application that we will be using to change our voices is Clownfish Voice Changer. So all you're going to do is you're going to go ahead on Google and you can just type in Clownfish Voice Changer and you're going to click on the first link. So it's clownfish-translator.com. You're just going to click on over here and then you can scroll down, and once you scroll down you have this little help section, and then you can just click on download over here on your top right. You're going to scroll down and then you can download the versions of the voice changer. So if you have Mac, you can download it from here. If you have Linux, you can download this, and if you have Windows, you can download any of these versions. And then you also have a web Chrome extension. So over here, you can click on this link over here to open up the Chrome extension. And I have already downloaded this Chrome extension, but you're just going to click on download and then your Chrome extension will be added. And then you will have the on off buttons for your Chrome extension. And then you can change your voice and you can select whatever kind of voice that you might want for your Chrome extension. So you can change your voice into the female pitch, and you're just going to select the female pitch to sound like a female using the Clownfish Voice Changer. So that is how simple and easy it is to sound like a girl, or you can even go with baby pitch, male pitch, slow mutation, alien, clone, mutation. So you have a bunch of different voices that you can play around with. So that was it for today. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you in the next video.